Hi, it's a
Hi, how are
pleasure to
you?
see you. I'm doing
Same
very well.
here.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for connecting, and thank you so much for taking our time. And I'm pretty sure people are excited about it. People are excited to know more about you other than the makeup artist. So, before I say anything about you, it's your
I'm
show.
myself
Over
very
to
much
you.
excited and thank you so
Thank
much
you.
for having me. It means a lot.
Great. Thank you.
So
I mean,
without further
likewise, it
ado,
means a lot.
let's just start. Yeah.
Definitely. The couple of things definitely I want to say that when we started telling people that we will very soon that we'll have the expert. When I do the expert, that's you, Isa Setia with us, and
Thank you.
she'll be. Thank you. So she'll be sharing the entire life journey that how she started, and what are the things that she kept in mind that how to become
Mhm.
the best in the
Mhm.
business. So people have a lot of questions. So definitely, when I want to come back to the question, the kind of questions people asked us. But before that, definitely, I'm pretty sure people would like to know you, who is Isa Setia in person, and about the career journey as well.
All right. First of all, I would like to say hi to everyone. There are a lot of people here.
Right.
You're truly an inspiration, Ida. Thank you so much, Shafa. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you,
Hi,
guys. Thank you so much.
Ansu. All right. So, I started off with my journey, I think in 2017. So
Okay.
it's just been 3 years, and it has
Okay.
been great with a lot of, you know, um, troubles and things like that, with a lot of happiness and a lot of
I'm
mixed
sure.
emotion. I would say. Was waiting for this.
Definitely.
Oh, that's
Definitely.
very sweet, beautiful stories by Rupal. Thank you so much, Richa. Thank you. So I am a graduated interior designer from Amity University. I did my schooling from
Right.
TTS Sonipat, and then I
Okay.
straight away when I completed my graduation, I was
Mm-hmm.
into this dilemma: what should I do next? Because I did my graduation, I was still very much
In interior
confused. Is this
designing,
really
right?
something I want to do? So I would
True.
really
True.
tell
True.
people, see, don't be so hard on yourself thinking I don't know what
Absolutely.
I'm gonna do next in my life, and I don't know my goals and stuff like that. It's
Okay.
completely
Okay.
fine. There are a lot of people who don't know what they have to
Mm.
do next. So don't be so hard on
Absolutely.
yourself. I would say, you know, try and figure out things by yourself. Take help with your family, take help from your friends, and
True. True.
just figure out what you really like in general way. What are your hobbies,
True.
and list down all your hobbies and think, is this something that
Absolutely.
I'm very much interested in? This is something which my dad
True.
actually helped me out. So he told me when I
Okay.
completed my interior, he told me to make a list of things that I'm interested in, what are my
Okay.
hobbies and all of that. I made a
Okay.
list. I note down each and every single point, and
Okay.
then he really helped me out with everything. Okay, if you want to be a DJ, you can go there and you can just do this course. If you want to be a makeup artist,
Okay.
there's this masterclass happening. Go there and try it out. Figure it out
True.
on yourself if you're really interested in. Then I attended
Absolutely.
few of the master classes by
Okay.
by a lot of different makeup artists all around the world. There
Okay.
was Michelle
Okay.
Palma and Alessandra. He's a Brazilian makeup
That's
artist.
a very big name. A
Yeah,
very
so
big name
I
across the globe.
I
Yeah.
I just feel that you should never stop learning. Never think that you know
True.
each and every single thing and you are a pro. Don't ever think
Absolutely.
like that.
Absolutely.
Always
Absolutely.
just keep on learning new and new things. For example, I
Hmm.
always tell
True.
my students also, if you come to me,
Hmm.
if you learn from me, don't hesitate to go
Okay.
to a different makeup artist and learn. You might learn something from me, and you might learn something, a different technique or a different tip or trick from that
Absolutely.
the other makeup artist. So
True.
don't
True.
just hesitate.
True. True. I'm pretty sure this happens. So this is something that we say in corporate. I am a professional, a corporate trainer, and this is something that we say in industry that the day you think that you know everything, believe me or not, the clock will rewind and you'll go back to zero. And
Exactly,
as soon as you go back to zero, then you'll have to restart. You'll have to restart from
exactly,
scratch.
exactly.
And I think that's exactly you have been doing. That's exactly you tell your trainees that this is something you need to focus
Focus
on. It
on.
doesn't mean that you are absolutely you are learning something from me. That doesn't mean that you would not be able to learn something from someone else. I mean, you
Mm.
need to keep learning, you need to keep enhancing your skills,
Yeah,
and that is how you grow
exactly.
in a
The
career.
trend changes a lot. The trend changes a lot, and you have to
Absolutely.
keep up on that. So don't
True,
ever
true.
think, okay, I'm a pro, I know each and every single thing, and I'm just gonna keep doing the same thing again and again. You need to change
True.
at times. You need to follow the trend too. And
Absolutely.
one more thing,
Absolutely. Hmm.
people also say, okay, I'm done with my schooling. Can I just go straight
Okay.
towards the makeup industry? I'm really passionate about makeup.
Hmm.
Should I just skip graduation? I will never
True.
recommend or suggest you guys to do that. Always complete your
Okay.
education properly. You should have a degree to, lie on.
True, true, true.
You should never,
True, true.
college also teaches you a lot of things. So I would never say miss out
Absolutely.
your graduation, miss out your college. Don't do it. Just enjoy every bit of your life, and then of course you can just go forward with whichever whatever thing you want, of course.
Absolutely, absolutely. I mean, this is for so again. Before I say anything else, so guys, thank you so much for connecting with us.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for connecting with S&M HR Services and Isa Setia. It means a lot that we have people like you those are watching us live, people those are commenting on this. So thank you so much. We really appreciate that. And coming back to your point, is that something which you just said, that you do not skip your education, you do your graduation, and then maybe with your graduation you can probably do something, uh, something which will help you enhance your skills, maybe a
Exactly.
skill based certification. I think because
Yeah.
that is the demand of the entire industry. Wherever you go,
Hmm.
that is the requirement. So how did this happen to you? Though I'm pretty sure that you said few minutes
Hmm.
back that your father helped you to choose.
Yeah, my father
Some
is my biggest inspiration, I say.
That's
He is
wonderful.
someone that I look up to, and trust me, he has
That's
helped me a lot in terms of everything. Whenever I have, I'm a very confused person, to be very honest. So I get confused in every
you don't
small, small
think
thing.
so.
So yeah, so I always
Okay.
go up to him and I always say that I don't know, I'm really confused about these two things. So he always
Okay.
helps me out. So I'm
True.
just,
True.
I would say I'm very, very, very lucky to have a father like my father
That's awesome.
who is so helpful and so understanding, so caring, so lovable, and just helps me into any situation, whatever situation comes in my life, he helps me always. So I'm really
That's
lucky.
great.
Yeah, in fact, his
That's
journey is also very inspirational for me. Maybe
okay.
some other time I'll tell you about his journey. Actually, we belong to a very small town. You must have heard about
Okay.
this place, Barwala. It's in Haryana.
Okay. Okay.
So we come from a
Barwala,
really
I've heard
small,
it. Yeah. Yeah.
yeah, we come from a
Yeah.
really small town, and the way he
Okay.
has struggled to be here where he
Okay.
is, like it's magical. The way
Could you
he
please tell something about your father as well? I
So,
mean, since
so
you're discussing that.
yeah, so my grandfather used to have a small Photoshop studio,
Okay.
and
Okay.
my grandmother, she used to be a teacher in a school, and my dad
Okay.
used to sell. He had this small shop of slippers, footwears, basically. So he used
Okay.
to
Okay.
travel back and forth from Barwala to Delhi,
Okay.
in terms of selling the footwears. So he used to carry this
Okay.
huge bag, briefcase, and he used to travel back and forth. Sometimes he used to
Okay.
sleep on, railway tracks and railway stations sideways. And then he started off. He had this thing of he had this passion of selling oil. So he had this thing in
Okay.
his mind that I want to do something in oil industry.
Okay.
So he
Okay.
got into it.
So
He
resuming. So,
Yeah, he
mhm.
got into it, and now he is a dealer of IOC, that Indian oil company, and
That's
Reliance.
awesome. That's awesome. That's
And
awesome.
it's just so stunning the way his journey is so inspiring, and the way he tackled his personal life and his business life is just very
Definitely.
inspiring. So I always,
Definitely. I
get
mean,
inspired by
mhm.
him. The way he used to be so hardworking
Okay.
and dedicated toward his work actually teaches
Okay.
me a lot,
Definitely.
that
Definitely.
you
I'm
have to
pretty
be very
sure.
consistent in
Yeah.
whatever thing you do. For example, if you're posting something on social media, you
Mm,
have to be very
mm.
consistent. You shouldn't be like, okay, मैंने आज
Absolutely.
post कर दिया,
Absolutely.
and then you just forget it. It's not like that. You
True.
have
True.
to
True.
be very consistent. You need to show your
True.
work, and you should be
Absolutely.
very hardworking, and be
True.
very patient about all these things also, because it's not easy.
True.
The success doesn't come handy. You have to work for it.
Absolutely. Absolutely, absolutely.
Yeah.
So I'll come back to this question. We definitely have this question that, how did you grow your Instagram? And today your
Yeah.
account is verified. So I'll definitely
Oh
come
God.
back to that question because a lot of people, in fact, companies like us, those who have just started.
Hmm. Hmm.
And again, when we have support from people like you,
Hmm.
thank you
Hmm.
again. You're so humble and kind,
Hmm.
supporting this idea, uh, to help the new generation. So as you
Hmm.
mentioned that, your father is an inspiration to you.
Yep.
Definitely, if in case we have an opportunity to speak with the father and see that, if we can, bring out something motivational for the people, those are actually into business, people who's going to grow and do something in their career. Definitely that's one that, definitely want to connect with the father as well, Mr.
Hmm.
Setia.
Hmm.
And definitely, how did you grow this entire thing from zero to 140? I think today you have.
Yeah.
uh, and definitely, this is one of the questions. So, but before we ask these questions,
Hmm.
one thing that, we definitely want to ask you: how did this entire transition happen? Though you said that, your father
Hmm.
helped you
Hmm.
to choose the right career. He said that, if you want to become a DJ, do this
Hmm.
certification and do this.
I wanted to become a Bollywood artist
Course.
also. I wanted to become a this what do you say, Bollywood actress and stuff like that. I was really crazy. I
Okay,
am still,
okay.
but I was really crazy. Like I
That I
said, I
see
was
in your Instagram
struggling. I was
videos that you.
struggling. I was like, oh my God, my head is gonna blast. What should I do? I've just completed my interior. I actually went to do a job too. I just went there for
Okay,
2 days and I just ran
okay,
from there. I couldn't understand a thing.
okay.
So
So
I
how
couldn't
did
do it.
this entire transition? So I'm pretty sure this,
So
this happens with a lot of people. That,
yeah.
when you join the very first time, you start working, you don't know what to do next. What's next for me? And that is the reason, I think we exist, and that is the vision of this Guru Mantra, the talk show that we
Yeah.
host. That,
Yeah.
we want to collaborate with all the working professionals
Mm-hmm.
across all the industries to ensure that,
Mm-hmm.
they come up and they share their success stories, insights that,
Mm-hmm.
how they've become, what they are today. And
Mm-hmm.
that's exactly, the agenda for today's
Mm-hmm.
discussion as well with you. So how did this entire transition happen? That, you went to Amity, you did graduation in interior designing. Then what clicked to your mind that you thought that, I should be doing something into to makeover makeup artist that, become?
I want to
How does
ask one
this entire
question. I just
transition?
want to ask a
Yes, please.
question to you. Do you believe in
Yes,
destiny?
please. Yes, I do. I think that's one reason
Yeah.
that
So I think
today
destiny
we
was
are
one
connected.
reason. Destiny was
Hmm.
one reason for me. I think destiny just
Okay.
sorted that for me that I am going to follow this path. But
Okay.
destiny is not only thing. You have to, like I said,
Absolutely.
you have to be working towards that.
True. True.
Second
Very true.
question regarding that how to grow on Instagram. Trust me,
Hmm.
it's not that easy. Everyone is just becoming makeup artists these days. I'm telling you, this
True.
is
True.
this is an honest thing. Everyone wants to become makeup artists, and people think it's very easy. It's not at all easy. Dealing with
Okay.
clients, achieving that right kind of art, just
This is the
you
time.
have to be very perfect in whatever you do. You have
True.
to be perfectionist. So
Absolutely.
skilling
Absolutely.
that and just becoming perfect, it takes a lot of effort and a lot of hard work. And
True. Very true.
you have to be very constant. Like I said, you have to be very constant on social media. You can boost your post. There's this
Okay.
option of boosting your post on Instagram.
Promote your
Yeah,
post. Yeah.
promote,
Yeah.
exactly. So you can
Mm.
promote whichever look you think is really nice and you've done an amazing work. Just boost
True.
it.
True.
Reach
Mm.
out to people. Post everywhere.
Mm.
Don't skip a single place. Post
Okay.
everything on each and every single social platform, be it Snapchat, WhatsApp, Instagram, stories, everywhere. So you have to go
True. True. True.
literally, you literally have to go crazy. Sometimes people just message
You
me
have
and I
to be
reply
everywhere.
them instantly and they say you're always on your phone, but I have to. It's my work, it's my business. I have to be very
Absolutely.
you have how are you? Thank you so much.
You
I'm
got
good.
to
How
be
are you?
active.
You have to be active.
True.
And this
True.
is
True.
something that will help you out.
Absolutely.
Plus, there's one more thing that I would like to add into it.
Definitely.
I've seen a lot of people who become very arrogant and very snooty when they become
Okay.
a little successful. So I would say
Okay.
stick to your roots. Don't become
True.
this snooty
True.
person. Don't become so arrogant. Why do you have to do this? You know, you should be very humble to people who are giving you so much. I am so
Absolutely.
blessed to
Absolutely.
have so many followers who love me immensely. They just love me so much. And whenever I post a
And
picture,
that's
they give me
totally
so
visible.
much
Yeah.
love. Yeah, that's seriously, that's visible so much. And
That is
trust me,
visible. Yeah.
I try to reply each and every single follower of mine. I try to do that on my
Okay.
DM as well as on the posts.
I have
Hindi में
personally
okay, people
observed
want
that.
us to talk in Hindi.
अच्छा, चलो ठीक है, हिंदी में बात कर लेते हैं. सो सो
Yeah.
ये जो हमने जो सारा ट्रांजिशन हुआ जो आपने बताया अभी
Hmm.
कि एक तो आपके फादर ने बहुत आपको सपोर्ट करा इस चीज में, he
Yeah.
helped you.
Hmm.
Second, it was the destiny. So when you went to Dubai, so
Mhm.
you went to Dubai, if I understood you correct, yeah.
I actually went
Was
for a
this
creative makeup course. मतलब मैंने सीधा ही
okay?
छक्का मार दिया. मतलब मैंने कोई बेसिक कोर्स भी नहीं किया. मैंने सीधा ऐसा किया कि ओके अब तो मैं क्रिएटिव कोर्स करूंगी. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, क्रिएटिव
Okay,
कोर्स सबसे डिफिकल्ट कोर्स होता है क्योंकि आपका हाथ
okay,
उसके लिए नॉर्मल मेकअप पे भी बैठना चाहिए. आपको बेसिक्स अच्छे से आने
बिल्कुल,
चाहिए. बट मैंने सीधा
बिल्कुल,
ही वो
बिल्कुल.
किया. बट उससे आई थिंक मुझे ना एक बहुत ज्यादा पुश मिला. मुझे बहुत ज्यादा
हम्म,
ऐसा ऐसा लगा कि मुझे अपने बाउंड्रीज को थोड़ा और पुश करना चाहिए. एंड वो क्रिएटिव मेकअप कोर्स करते करते मुझे भी नहीं पता चला कि मैं इतनी परफेक्ट मैं कब काम करने लग गई. एंड
हम्म.
मुझे कब
आई
ब्लेंडिंग
थिंक
आने लग गई. इट वाज जस्ट
बिल्कुल.
हैपनिंग.
ट्रू ट्रू. आई थिंक एक बहुत ही सही बहुत ही क्लियर और टू द पॉइंट एक हिंदी में एक बात बोली जाती है, जब आप अपने आप को मैक्सिमम के लिए पुश करते हो तब वो मैक्सिमम मैक्सिमम 100% नहीं हो पाएगा, तो हो सकता है एटलीस्ट वो 90% के
90
आसपास
तो होगा,
तक हम
राइट.
लोग 90 तो होगा ही हो. तो आई थिंक इफ वी आर टारगेटिंग 100%
हम्म.
तो 90
हम्म.
अचीव हो तो दैट्स ऑल्सो वेरी गुड नंबर.
बिल्कुल
और
बिल्कुल.
आई थिंक हमारी स्टार्टिंग शायद ऐसी रही थी. करेक्ट मी इफ आई
या
एम रॉन्ग.
या
सो
बिल्कुल.
जब हमारा जब क्रिएटिव आर्टिस्ट का जब हमारा
Okay,
सारा
we have a
सर्टिफिकेशन
question. I'm
हुआ.
really sorry to interrupt you. Someone is asking, can you tell please from where in Dubai? So London College of Makeup in Dubai. So they have branches all over the world.
Okay,
So I did it from Dubai.
great. So our request to all the viewers, guys, definitely, we would like to answer all the questions, whatever
Hmm.
questions we have.
Hmm.
Considering that, we also have the time duration for this. But I would request each one of you to keep your questions, just hold yourself a bit.
Hmm.
And I'm pretty sure that, the kind of things that we're going to discuss now, जो
Hmm.
चीजें आपको ईजा भी बताने वाली हैं, those
Hmm.
things are very interesting. और बहुत कुछ आपको उन सबसे सीखने को मिलेगा. तो क्वेश्चंस हम जो Q&A जिसको हम बोलते हैं क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर राउंड, वो डेफिनेटली डू दैट. पर थोड़ा सा इंतजार करना पड़ेगा उसके लिए. To ensure that जो एक फ्लो होता है, I'm pretty sure people understand this. तो कहीं ना कहीं वो चीजें सारी ब्रेक हो
Hmm.
जाती हैं. तो we went to Dubai with this certification visa.
Hmm.
उसके बाद ही हमारा आपने कोई इंटर्नशिप टाइप्स भी कुछ करा था, जैसा कि आपने
मैंने
बताया आपने जॉब भी
इंटर्नशिप
करा
तो नहीं किया. मैंने बहुत सारे
था.
मेकअप आर्टिस्ट से सीखा. इनफैक्ट इन इंडिया टू आई लर्न फ्रॉम
ओके,
like almost 3-4 different makeup artists. Basically मेरे दिमाग में ये था कि मुझे सबका एक निचोड़ निकालना है. मैंने जैसे आपको बोला, सबसे
हाँ जी,
सीखो और अपना एक
बिल्कुल,
सिग्नेचर बनाओ. आई थिंक ये बेस्ट है.
बिल्कुल.
आप क्योंकि मैं
ट्रू
आपको
ट्रू.
जैसे बता रही हूँ, आप अलग अलग लोगों से सीखोगे. आपको बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें सीखने को मिलेंगी जो जो बहुत डिफरेंट है. और कोई आर्टिस्ट किसी
एब्सोल्युटली.
चीज में स्पेसिफिक बहुत अच्छा होता है, कोई किसी में बहुत अच्छा होता है. तो जैसे मैं बोल रही हूँ, मैं आज भी यूट्यूब पे बहुत सारे ऐसे वीडियोस देखती हूँ और मैं हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ चीजें सीखती हूँ. मैं कभी जैसे लोग नेटफ्लिक्स पे काफी सीरीज देख रहे होते हैं, टाइम्स मैं यूट्यूब पे मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल देख रही होती हूँ. तो मैं कभी भी रुकती नहीं हूँ इस चीज में. हमेशा कभी कोई क्रिएटिव मेकअप, कभी कुछ कुछ ना कुछ मेरे दिमाग में सब चीजें चलती रहती है ऑल द टाइम. तो मैंने बहुत सारे
एंड
डिफरेंट
आई
आर्टिस्ट से
मस्ट
सीखा. हम्म.
आई एम सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट यू. आई मस्ट से इजा, जितने भी लेजेंड्स को मैं फॉलो करता हूँ बिजनेस में,
हम्म.
उन वो सभी लोग, चाहे वो ग्रैंड कार्डोन हो, चाहे वो एंडी फर्सेला हो, सब लोग ये जितने टॉप शॉट हैं बिजनेसेस में,
हम्म.
उन सब लोगों का एक ही चीज है बोलनी कि अगर आपको बिजनेस में सक्सेसफुल बनना है या अपनी
हम्म.
जिंदगी में अगर सक्सेसफुल बनना है,
हम्म.
तो ये मूवीज देख करके टाइम वेस्ट करो. चीजें
एग्जैक्टली.
देखो जहां से आप कुछ चीजें सीख सकते हो.
हम्म.
चीजों को सीखो. जब तक अपने ऊपर इन्वेस्ट नहीं करोगे तो आगे नहीं बढ़ पाओगे. आई थिंक दैट्स
राइट.
एग्जैक्टली यू डू दैट. यू
या
वॉच यूट्यूब
या
and you learn things and then you try and implement those things.
I do
क्योंकि
that,
आई थिंक
and I
दिस
think people love my creative makeup too. मैं देखती हूँ that they message me, ma'am, when are you going to post a creative makeup? Because there are very less makeup artists who are like, as you said, who are very legendary and who are very well
ट्रू
known in Delhi. So I don't think they also do creative makeup that well. I mean, they don't really focus on doing creative makeup. So I do
ट्रू ट्रू
creative
ट्रू वो
makeup, so
कहते हैं
they
ना,
get very inspired
बिल्कुल
by me, especially the
ट्रू,
young people. And trust me, I've got this compliment a lot of time that you are the youngest makeup artist right now who have
एंड देयर इज नो डाउट
succeeded,
अबाउट दैट,
who have succeeded this much in just 3 years. So
एंड देयर इज नो
it
डाउट
just
अबाउट दैट,
feels
देयर इज नो
so
डाउट अबाउट
good. Yeah.
इट फील्स सो
Swan
गुड,
look
इट
was
फील्स सो
amazing.
गुड.
Thank you.
So again, this is again thank you to all the viewers, to all the fans, those are supporting people, those are supporting ISA, people those are supporting SNMHR
Thank you so
services.
much. It
So
just
guys,
means a lot.
thank you so much. I think we become something that's, and the reason is you guys, because you support us,
Exactly.
you support us, then only we grow. And definitely जो भी आपने बताया ना कि आर्ट होना चाहिए और वो
Hmm.
क्रिएटिव होना ना, पता नहीं क्रिएटिव क्रिएटिव बेंड हर किसी के पास नहीं होता.
Hmm.
आपने एक चीज सीख ली है कि ये चीज ऐसे होती है, और उस चीज
Hmm.
को आपको क्रिएटिव कैसे बनाना है, अपना एक वो कहते हैं ना, जो आपने हमने बताया अभी कि यार मेरे
Hmm.
को ना अपना कुछ बनाना है, एक निचोड़ निकालना है सारी चीजों का, और
Hmm.
अपना कुछ स्टाइल बनाना है,
अपना
या
भी
मेरे को
स्टाइल
कुछ
बनाना है.
फ्यूजन कुछ बनाना है. तो
Hmm.
वो उस चीज के लिए आई थिंक क्रिएटिव बेंड होना बहुत जरूरी है, बहुत
Right.
जरूरी है वो.
Right.
तो ये जब आपने अपना सर्टिफिकेशन करा, आपने
Hmm.
बहुत सारे मेकअप आर्टिस्ट आपने बताया, 3-4 लोगों से आपने
Hmm.
सीखा, तो
Hmm.
ये जो स्टार्टिंग हुई इज अ सेटिया
Hmm.
मेकओवर स्टूडियो,
Hmm. Hmm.
ये कैसे स्टार्ट हुआ फिर?
बस जब
क्योंकि
मैंने मेकअप सीख लिया
I'm
तो
sorry to interrupt you Isa, on this.
हम्म
I'm sorry to interrupt you. The reason why I'm asking you this question, क्योंकि ना जब बताया कि यार ऐसे हम now we are going to speak with you, and
हम्म
she is one of the best artists that we have in
हम्म
Delhi NCR. Or in fact,
हम्म
you're international, so that you
हम्म
travel a lot and then you do that as well. So people ask this question कि भाई ये जो स्टूडियो जो स्टार्ट हुआ, ये
हम्म
कैसे स्टार्ट हुआ यार, इसमें तो बहुत पैसे लगते होंगे स्टूडियो बनाने में, और
हम्म,
सेंट्रल मार्केट में तो वो तो और भी बहुत महंगा होगा. तो
बिल्कुल.
पीपल आस्क दिस काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन कि भाई कैसे शुरू करा, ये चीज उनसे जरूर पूछना.
देखो क्या होता है, जैसे मैंने आपको बोला मेरे डैड ने मुझे बहुत सपोर्ट किया.
हम्म.
अब क्या होता है, अम, अगर आपको कोई सपोर्ट करता है, ठीक है, एंड उसके
हम्म.
बाद भी आप काम नहीं करते हो, तो वो क्या होगी, वो चीज वो खत्म हो
वो
जाएगी,
चीज
वो
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
जीरो हो
खत्म हो
जाएगी.
जाएगी, बताओ.
जब
बिल्कुल.
आपको कोई सपोर्ट करता है और आप उस पर डबल मेहनत करते हो, तो मेक श्योर कि आप सक्सीड करो और आप उस चीज को पे ऑफ करो, तो वो चीज क्या होगी, वो
बिल्कुल
ब्लूम होगी.
ब्रो,
राइट.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल प्रो हो
तो
जाएगा वो और.
मैंने यही कोशिश की कि
हम्म.
अगर मुझे कहीं से सपोर्ट मिल रहा है, तो मैं क्यों ना
ओके.
उसको यूटिलाइज करूं और अपनी पूरी मेहनत करूं इस चीज में. क्योंकि वो मेरे डैड का सपना था कि उनको चाहिए कि मैं थोड़ी सक्सेसफुल हो जाऊं, लोग मुझे जाने, मेरी मेरी
ओके.
फेस वैल्यू हो. जबकि मेरे
और
मेरे
आज
दिमाग
कौन
में
है
कभी भी.
जानता है स्थिति को?
हाँ. एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू, ही फील सो प्राउड. आई कैन टेल यू अ स्टोरी. सो व्हाट हैपेंड, my dad
डेफिनेटली.
was actually out there for a party. मेरे डैड अब वो बहुत यंग से हैं एंड उनको पार्टी वार्टी करना
हम्म.
बड़ा पसंद है. उनकी प्रॉपर फ्रेंड सर्कल है जिनके साथ वो पार्टी वगैरह
हम्म.
जाते हैं. तो किसी का कैफे रीओपनिंग था.
हम्म.
So there was this lady over there who
ओके.
was talking about makeup artists in general,
ओके.
and she said to one of her friend that
हम्म.
there is this girl called Isa Setia, and I don't know how
हम्म.
she became so famous in just no time. And I think it's because his her dad got a lot of money. So my dad was
ओके.
actually there and he was listening. He was observing. He
ओके.
overheard the whole conversation, and
हम्म.
he went to her and he said, "She's my daughter."
ओके.
Then she was, "Oh, I'm sorry." She was like, "Oh my god, I didn't mean
I'm
that."
sure that happens.
Yeah. She started stumbling a bit, and she was like, "I didn't mean that. I just wanted to know
हम्म.
what happened, how all of this happened, and all of that."
हम्म.
So he came up to me later that night, and he told me the whole conversation, what happened, the whole story, and you know
ओके.
what he said. उन्होंने मुझे बोला कि अगर आपके बारे में कोई बात कर रहा है, चाहे अच्छी कर रहा है या बुरी कर रहा है ना,
आप बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हो फिर.
आप बहुत अच्छा
बिल्कुल
काम कर
बिल्कुल.
रहे हो.
And that is
कोई
and
फर्क
that is
नहीं
a true
पड़ता.
line of the legend.
या
That's a true
कोई
line
फर्क
of
नहीं
legend.
पड़ता.
People,
हाँ.
true. जितने लेजेंड्स हैं बिजनेस में अक्रॉस द
Yeah.
वर्ल्ड, वो भी ये ऐसे कुछ बोलते हैं कि देखो, जब तक आपकी सब लोग अच्छाई कर रहे हैं ना,
हम्म.
तो समझो कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ना कुछ गड़बड़ है।
हाँ.
पर जिस दिन आपके पास ऐसे वो आ जाते हैं ना
बोले
नेगेटिव, यार ऐसा कैसे कर लिया, ऐसा क्या कर रही है, अब
ऐसे
बहुत
क्या कर
सपोर्ट
रही है
होगा,
वो.
बहुत
हाँ.
पैसा।
ऐसा
बिल्कुल
वो ये
बिल्कुल,
कर रही है कि वो
वैसा ट्रू सकते
बहुत
हैं।
बहुत मेहनत कर रही है. एक्चुअली मेहनत को कोई देखता नहीं है. वो सिर्फ
ट्रू
बाहर
ट्रू,
की चीज देखते हैं. वो बोलते हैं ना, ग्रास लुक्स ऑलवेज ग्रीनर ऑन द अदर साइड. इट्स लाइक दैट. वो
एब्सोल्युटली,
सामने नहीं दिखता आपको. उनको पता है कि वो पीठ पीछे कितना मेहनत करते हैं. मेरी अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ
बिल्कुल।
बहुत ज्यादा मैं इग्नोर कर देती हूँ, अवॉइड कर देती हूँ अपने फ्रेंड्स, अपनी अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ,
हम्म,
एट टाइम्स अपनी हेल्थ अवॉइड कर देती हूँ. जब मेरे पास दिन में 10-10 ब्राइड्स होती हैं, तो कई बार ऐसा होता है कि मेरे पास खाना खाने का भी टाइम नहीं होता. मैं सिर्फ भाग रही होती हूँ
बिल्कुल
लेफ्ट राइट लेफ्ट राइट. मतलब एट टाइम्स मैं अपना
बिल्कुल,
हेल्थ
मैं
भी
समझ सकता
कॉम्प्रोमाइज कर देती हूँ. तो वो चीजें उनको नहीं दिखती. उनको सिर्फ ये दिखता है कि ओ माय
हूँ।
गॉड, ओ शी इज अ फेमस नाउ एंड व्हाट हैज हैपेंड. पीछे
No,
से कौन सपोर्ट कर
and
रहा है.
how about how about that? That you know she, or she, do you know that she drives a coupe, a two-seater? How is that happening? I'm sure that
या.
happens too. I'm sure that happens too.
सो
Great,
आई
great.
आई
I
वुड
mean,
से
it's
वो
wonderful.
एक हिंदी में वो एक लाइन है ना, कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे दो में काम है कहना, छोड़ो बेकार की बातें कहीं बीत ना जाए रहना. इट्स लाइक दैट.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
तो मत
Great,
सुनना
great,
आप.
great.
मैं भी
Thank you.
आगे के जितने भी यहाँ पर जितने भी मेकअप आर्टिस्ट हैं जो देख रहे हैं मुझे, आई
Hmm.
वुड जस्ट सजेस्ट यू गाइज, people will say, and it's their job to say, and just don't give a shit about that. Just keep on working, and um, you know
Absolutely.
just keep on doing the hard work. Follow your passion. Do whatever you want to do, but with dedication, and be consistent
Hmm.
in whichever field you are doing, and whatever you do, just be consistent. कभी ऐसा मत सोचना कि नहीं मुझे थोड़ा बैकआउट करना है, मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा, मैं बहुत. अगर आप थोड़ा सा भी अपने आप को सेल्फ डाउट करने लगोगे तो चीजें थोड़ी सी अनबैलेंस हो जाती हैं.
ट्रू ट्रू. और एक और बहुत बड़ी बात बोली जाती है जब भी बिजनेस की बात होती है. जब भी हम कुछ बिजनेस करना स्टार्ट करते हैं, अक्सर हमारे पास ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं जो हमें अलग 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 टाइप की सजेशंस, एडवाइस आने स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं अक्सर. और ये अक्सर वो लोग होते हैं जिन्होंने अपनी लाइफ में कभी बिजनेस नहीं करके देखा,
हम्म.
जिनको जिनको बिजनेस का भी नहीं पता. बट वो लोग आएंगे, आपको सजेशंस देंगे. सो दिस इज फॉर पीपल जो आर वाचिंग अस, और जो लोग आगे अपना बिजनेस को स्टेबल और स्टेबलाइज करना चाहते हैं.
हम्म.
तो लोग आएंगे, नेगेटिव बातें भी बोलेंगे, बोलेंगे ऐसा भी बोलेंगे कि यार ये क्या चीज है, क्या करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो. So
हम्म.
that's exactly happened when I started. So it's been 2 months that we have been collaborating with experts across the industries.
हम्म.
और
And
हमारी
you're
एक
doing a
विजन है, हमें
great
हमें
work.
पता है.
It's very important
थैंक यू,
for people to,
थैंक यू.
you know about other people's journey so that they can get inspired by that. And it happens.
एब्सोल्युटली.
It happens with me. Like I said, if you just see my father, I just got inspired by him. So I think inspiration हर जगह होनी चाहिए. There should be positivity,
एब्सोल्युटली.
and then only you will
एब्सोल्युटली.
get positive and will work towards your goal. So it's very important,
ट्रू.
and you are doing an
सो
amazing work.
बिल्कुल. थैंक यू. इट मीन्स अ लॉट टू हियर फ्रॉम यू ऑन दिस. थैंक यू. सो गाइस, जो अगर वही चीजें दोबारा एक बात वही रिपीट करना चाहूंगा यहाँ पे कि stay positive and stay with people those are positive.
Yeah,
And if you are in
it's very
business, if
important.
you are in business, true,
Hmm.
true. And if you are in business, you're going to do business,
Hmm.
tag along with people those are into business, because they are the people those who can give you the right direction, those who can actually tell you what is right, what is wrong, what is best for business. So great,
Yeah.
great, Isa. Thank you so much for that. Isa, another question that I have on this,
Hmm.
that we started the journey from Amity, moved to Dubai.
Yeah.
When we came back from Dubai, and then you did, you worked with few of the makeup artists because you want to bring something, you want to create your own. You did it. You opened your studio.
Yeah.
Now how things are? What exactly you currently doing, and
Hmm.
what is the future plan of Isa Setia Makeovers?
So I can reveal it on your interview. So we are
Thank you. Thank
actually
you.
getting bigger and better, and it's soon gonna
Okay.
happen, most probably in November or December. I cannot confirm
Okay.
right now,
Wow.
and but we are working on a
Congratulations.
big project. So I'm very, very, very
Great.
excited about it. So yeah, I
And you
think
have
I'll
all
just
the wishes and all the luck for this. Thank you.
thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Thank you. So, either there's another thing that people asked a lot of times.
Hmm.
There's one question कि पूछा अक्सर ये क्वेश्चन आया है जो लेडीज हैं बिटवीन 30, 35 एंड 40, 45 के आसपास.
या.
सो फ्रॉम 30 टिल 40, 45 के आसपास, यार हमारे ना घर में फंक्शन है, फैमिली गेट टुगेदर है, और मेरे को लगता है कि ना मैं स्टूडियो जाऊं या कहीं पे जाऊं बाहर और मैं उस चीज के लिए रेडी हूँ उस चीज के लिए. आई थिंक इट इज बेटर दैट आई शुड डू समथिंग ऑन माय ओन and do something at home. So what is your suggestion for them? One, I'm pretty sure that you do classes. You do the
Yeah, I
Zoom
do.
classes, and that is going massive. People are loving it, and I think
Yeah.
people are learning a lot.
Yeah.
So जिन लोगों का ये क्वेश्चन था कि भाई मेरे को घर पे रहना है और अपने आप से तैयार होना है, तो guys follow Ease CTS, make a account on Instagram or on Facebook, and I'm pretty sure the kind of classes she conducts, you will learn a lot. उन क्लासेस में बहुत कुछ मैसिव सीखने वाला है, और घर पर रह करके अगर अपने आप को तैयार करना है, या अगर कुछ वो कहते हैं ना कुछ ऐसा स्किल कि मैं कुछ छोटा मोटा अर्निंग ही स्टार्ट कर लूं, एक पैसे भी स्टार्ट कर लूं, बीइंग अ हाउसवाइफ, इफ आई हैव एन अपॉर्चुनिटी, सो व्हाई नॉट टू डू दैट. तो क्वेश्चन ये आया कि मेरे को घर पर रहना है, मेरे को बाहर नहीं जाना, मेरे को अपने आप से तैयार होना है, तो मैं क्या करूं उस चीज
आप
के लिए.
सेल्फ ग्रूमिंग क्लासेस स्टार्ट कर सकते हो ऑनलाइन. आई थिंक वो
ओके.
भी बहुत हेल्पफुल है. प्लस मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जो लेडीज ऐसा सोच भी रही हैं दैट दे वांट टू लर्न समथिंग एंड दे आर हाउसवाइफ, आई थिंक ये बहुत बड़ा स्टेप है. ये बहुत अच्छी चीज है. आई थिंक वो और भी लेडीज को इंस्पायर करते हैं कि आपको कभी अगर
बिल्कुल.
किसी चीज का मन है ना, तो कभी मैंने जनरली देखा है, जैसे मॉम्स भी होती हैं, वो हमेशा अपने बच्चों की वजह से काफी चीजें अपने लिए दबा लेती हैं. उनको कुछ करने का भी मन होगा,
बिल्कुल. बिल्कुल.
तो वो बस कि नहीं,
बिल्कुल.
मेरे बच्चे ठीक रहे हैं, उनको मुझे अटेंशन देनी है. तो कई बार ऐसा होता है कि
बिल्कुल.
वो अपना मन मार लेती हैं. तो मैं सिर्फ ये बोलूंगी कि अगर आपको कुछ सीखना भी है, तो कभी भी अपना मन नहीं मारना चाहिए. सीखिए, बाहर जाइए, चीजें सीखिए, जो भी कुछ भी करने का मन है, बी इट रिलेटेड टू मेकअप, बिजनेस, ऑफिस, जॉब, कुछ भी. आई थिंक वो करना चाहिए, अपना मन नहीं मानना चाहिए. एंड मेरे पास सेल्फ ग्रूमिंग क्लासेस भी हैं, पर्सनल भी. वी आर अबाउट टू स्टार्ट मोस्ट प्रोबेबली इन नवंबर, वंस आई शिफ्टेड टू अनदर प्लेस. एंड
That's a new project.
yeah, the
That's
new
a part of a
project.
new project.
Yes. So like I said, we are
Congratulations.
gonna get bigger and better. So उसी का भी सब planning वगैरह चल रहा है. So my head is like
Okay.
all over the place right now. I also got a
Okay.
question right now कि यहाँ पर अभी किसी ने मैसेज किया था कि हेयर स्टाइलिस्ट भी तो इतनी मेहनत करते हैं. मैंने ना हेयर स्टाइल
बिल्कुल.
का भी
बिल्कुल.
कोर्स किया था, और मैं
हम्म.
आपको दिखा सकती हूँ. मैंने यहाँ पर अपने आप को बर्न भी कर लिया है. और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हेयर स्टाइल बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट है. बहुत ही, मतलब
बहुत
मेकअप करने
डिफिकल्ट.
से भी डिफिकल्ट है, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. और मेकअप और हेयर स्टाइल हमेशा बैलेंस चलते हैं. अगर आपका मेकअप भले ही
बिल्कुल.
कितना सुंदर हो, अगर आपका हेयर स्टाइल अच्छा नहीं है ना, तो आपका लुक पूरा जीरो है.
बिल्कुल. बिल्कुल सही कहा आपने.
तो हेयर स्टाइल, जितने भी हेयर स्टाइलिस्ट यहाँ पर देख रहे हैं मुझे, ऐसा नहीं है दैट आई एम ऑल अबाउट मेकअप. हेयर स्टाइल बहुत ही ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. और उसमें इतनी सारी चीजें डिफरेंट होती हैं, इतने सारे टूल्स होते हैं. मतलब
बिल्कुल.
ये एक अलग ही लेवल चीज है. जैसे एक मेकअप पूरा अलग है, हेयर स्टाइल का पूरा पूरा जोन ही अलग है. तो अगर आपको,
बिल्कुल.
मैंने ये भी
बिल्कुल.
कोशिश की थी कि मैं मेकअप और हेयर स्टाइल इकट्ठा कर लेती हूँ, ताकि
हम्म.
इट्स गोना बी इजी फॉर मी. बट मैंने सीखा, और अब मैं नहीं कर पाती, क्योंकि जब मेरे पास 5-6 इकट्ठे मेकअप आ जाते हैं, सो यू कैन नॉट डू मेकअप एंड हेयर बोथ. यू नीड अ
True.
हेल्पिंग
True.
हैंड.
Absolutely. You'll have to
एंड
delegate something to somebody.
हाँ, बट वो लर्निंग जो है, जो मैंने मेकअप हेयर का कोर्स
हम्म.
किया था, वो भी मेरी खराब नहीं
हाँ
हुई.
जी.
अब क्या होता है, एट टाइम्स ब्राइड्स आस्क मी, ओके व्हिच काइंड ऑफ हेयर स्टाइल डू यू थिंक इज गोना लुक गुड ऑन मी. सो आई टेल देम,
True.
एंड दे सीम हैप्पी, एंड दे गेट दैट काइंड ऑफ अ हेयर स्टाइल फ्रॉम माय हेयर स्टाइलिस्ट. तो कभी भी लर्निंग देखो, कभी जीरो नहीं जाएगी. अब मैं उनको बता भी पाती हूँ कि आप पे ये हेयर स्टाइल सूट करेगा, तो दे गेट इम्प्रेस.
True.
हाँ, ओके, शी नोज अबाउट हेयर स्टाइल टू. सो इट्स गुड. यू शुड लर्न ईच एंड एवरी
So,
सिंगल थिंग. कभी वेस्ट नहीं
absolutely.
जाएगी.
Absolutely. Absolutely. जो भी लर्निंग है वो जीरो नहीं होंगी कभी भी.
Thank you so much, madam.
वो
Nice
लर्निंग.
reply.
Thank you, people. Those are commenting on this, and thank you, people, for asking questions as well. So वो ये learning कभी भी हमारी जीरो नहीं होंगी. जो भी हमने कुछ सीखा है, वो कहीं ना कहीं हमें जरूर हेल्प करता
अभी
है.
इंटीरियर का
जैसा
भी
भी.
is gonna help me into my new project. See, exactly, no?
True. I'm sure, and I'm sure that when you have that knack of interest, and then you have that sense that I have done something in interior, and I think you also have that creative bent कि मेरे को ना अपना रूम कुछ ऐसा होना चाहिए.
सर मुझे तो
मतलब
स्कूल में ड्राइंग
मैं
करनी नहीं
टीचिंग
आती थी।
कॉलेज।
मैं आपको बता रही हूँ,
ओके।
आई कुडंट डू एनीथिंग। मुझे ड्राइंग एक ढंग से सीधी लाइन खींचती भी नहीं आती थी। मैं आपको बता रही हूँ ना, मुझे
नाम
भी नहीं
बताओ।
पता कि ये कैसे हो गया।
So
Like I
that's
said,
the
it's
destiny,
also
wonderful.
kismat, it's also destiny,
True, true,
and
true. But more than that, it is hard work, I
it's
think.
hard work. Yes, you have to
True,
work
it
for
is
it.
hard work. Otherwise तो
Yeah.
बैठे बैठे तो कभी भी कुछ भी नहीं
जब
आएगा।
भी आप सोचो ऐसे
Wonderful,
किस्मत है
wonderful.
मेरी, मेरे को मिल जाएगा, तो नहीं मिलेगा। दोनों चीजें साथ
कुछ नहीं
साथ
मिलेगा।
चलते हैं। यू हैव टू बी,
Absolutely.
यू हैव टू वर्क फॉर इट। एग्जैक्टली।
True, true, true. Great. So, Isa, what are the skills? This again was asked by girls. Those are around 19, 20, 21. So, if I'll give you the range, that's at between 19 till 26 के आसपास तक का। क्या मेरे को मेकओवर आर्टिस्ट बनना है, तो मेरे को कुछ ऐसे ही मेकओवर आर्टिस्ट बनना है जिनके आप पोस्टर्स बना रहे हो। So मैं अच्छा चलो बहुत अच्छी बात है, तो that you're getting inspired by somebody, and you're getting by somebody, you're getting inspired by someone who has inspired a lot of people across this industry. तो एक पर्सन ये आया कि यार हमें ना करना, मैं कैसे शुरुआत करूं इसकी, मेरे को किस टाइप के स्किल्स की जरूरत है, मैं कहाँ पे जाऊं सीखने के लिए, क्योंकि मार्केट में ना बहुत सारे ऐसे छोटे छोटे,
बहुत
मैं बोलूँ
सारे
छोटी
हैं।
छोटी शॉप्स बड़ी सारी हैं, और बहुत बड़े बड़े नाम भी हैं। तो अक्सर उसमें लोग कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं कि भाई मैं जाऊं कहाँ पर, कहाँ से क्या चीज सीखूं। तो व्हाट इज योर रिकमेंडेशन ऑन दिस, कहाँ से स्टार्ट
हमारे
करनी
पास
चाहिए इस
आओ
चीज
आप, कुछ सोचने की जरूरत ही नहीं। कोई दूसरा क्वेश्चन ही नहीं है। कम टू अस, विल टीच यू। वी हैव एन अकेडमी। वी टीच क्रिएटिव मेकअप, वी टीच बेसिक मेकअप, वी टीच मेकअप टू बिगनर्स, जिनका जैसे आप बता रहे हो, who wants to learn from A to Z, will actually teach you
बिल्कुल।
everything. We have a pro course, we have intense makeup learning program, so we have a lot of things. So I would just recommend to whoever is interested to become a makeup artist, and they just want to give a
Okay.
try to it. Professional नहीं बनना, but they want to just give a try. क्योंकि कई बार जैसे मेरे साथ हुआ था, मेरे पास ऐसा ऑप्शन नहीं था कि मैं सिर्फ ट्राई के लिए जा पाऊँ, मुझे एक प्रॉपरली कोर्स करना पड़ा। So if you want to just give a try, you
बिल्कुल।
can go with the beginners makeup course that we have, in which
ओके।
we will tell you about the basics of makeup, and you'll get a lot of knowledge about makeup and makeup products, makeup brands, and basic makeup looks, like a simple party makeup, something that you can also do it on yourself. So that's a basic makeup
ग्रेट ग्रेट।
course. Yeah. Then you can, jump on to something which is called professional or basic to professional,
ओके।
in
ओके।
which we'll be teaching you all about makeup, international makeup products, international makeup brands, and all the steps of doing makeup, the Arabic eye,
ओके।
the Muslim look, the Indian bridal look, the engagement, mehendi look, cocktail look. So this is something. So you should just do whatever you want to do, just do it gradually and be a little patient. भागो मत, जितना तेज भागोगे उतनी
भागो मत।
जल्दी गिरोगे। हाँ, तो भागो मत,
बिल्कुल
just
बिल्कुल।
थोड़ा आराम से, अपने ऊपर
बिल्कुल
भी
आराम
जस्ट
से।
कॉन्फिडेंस रखो
हम्म।
अपने ऊपर। अपना कॉन्फिडेंस लूज मत होने दो, और बस।
वंडरफुल
मैं कर
वंडरफुल
सकती
थिंग
हूँ।
इज
हाँ, आपने सुना
बिल्कुल
होगा ना
बिल्कुल
लॉ ऑफ
बिल्कुल।
अट्रैक्शन, मैं कर सकती हूँ तो
बिल्कुल
यूनिवर्स विल गेट।
बिल्कुल।
जैसे शाहरुख खान की मूवी में डायलॉग था, जिस चीज को आप दिल
बिल्कुल
से
बिल्कुल
चाहो तो
बिल्कुल।
पूरी कायनात। I'm
बिल्कुल
little filmy,
बिल्कुल
I'm really
बिल्कुल।
sorry.
No, that's all right. That's all
I'm
right.
very filmy,
That's okay.
and I'm
That's
a
okay.
big
So maybe
big
you would
Shahrukh
like to say
Khan
that
fan.
dialogue.
Yeah.
Okay. That's wonderful. That's wonderful
So
to know.
universe will
So guys,
manifest that for you. So you have to just ask for
absolutely
it. And
true, true.
मेरे डैड ने एक और चीज मुझे बोली थी जो मैं नहीं करती,
Okay.
और मैं कोशिश करती थी मैं करूँ। तो आई कैन गिव यू अ लिटिल
बिल्कुल।
सजेशन, एंड व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज, whatever is your goal, something that you want to
Mm-hmm.
achieve in your life, just write it down.
Okay. Yeah, that's
Yeah,
affirmations,
yeah, just write it down.
and that
So, for
and that
example,
works. Then that works.
that
That
works.
works.
Yeah, so
That
keep a
works.
small diary,
So.
maybe aside to a table wherever you sleep, bedside pe, and whenever you have a thought कि okay, this is something that I want to
Mm.
do, maybe like daily task भी जो होते हैं, at times आप भूल
Right, right,
जाते हो,
right,
आपको
right.
याद नहीं रहती वो चीजें, और मैं पूरी कोशिश करती हूँ
Absolutely.
कि मैं ऐसा करूँ, but at times मुझसे मिस हो जाता है, because at the end we are human beings, हम कर देते हैं।
Absolutely.
So
Absolutely.
that's, अब अपने
आज नहीं
आप
तो
को
कल
इतना
नहीं तो
फील
परसों
मत
तो।
कराओ कि ओ गॉड मैंने नहीं किया, तो इट्स फाइन।
Hmm.
जब भी याद आता है, यू शुड जस्ट राइट इट डाउन, एंड इट विल डेफिनेटली हेल्प यू आउट।
Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you so much, Isa, to share that outstanding point affirmations. ये affirmations जरूरी नहीं हमारे से पॉजिटिव, डेफिनेटली पॉजिटिव के लिए हमारे बहुत काम करता है। वो कहते हैं ना, जब एक चीज बार बार uh, that's your
बिल्कुल.
conscious and subconscious.
Hmm.
When it hits your subconscious, then
Yes.
things will turn into reality. And
Yes,
that's
yes.
also for the negative things as well. People, those who
Hmm.
have the negative thoughts, people, those who think
Yeah.
that something is going to
जेलसी
happen, or
जेलसी
maybe
या नेगेटिविटी.
absolutely.
अभी मुझे किसी ने यही क्वेश्चन किया कि आपको किसी मेकअप आर्टिस्ट से जेलस होता है. मुझे जेलस नहीं होता,
What,
मैं बहुत ज्यादा
what is this
मोटिवेट
garbage?
होती हूँ. नहीं, मैं
Yeah.
मोटिवेट होती हूँ व्हेन आई सी समवन ना. ओके,
Okay.
माय गॉड, शी इज डूइंग दिस, व्हाट एम आई डूइंग? So I get
And
very
that is how
motivated.
that's a
There's
healthy
something inside me
competition.
which would give
True,
me a lot of energy, and I do that, and I work
true, true.
more
I mean,
harder.
that's a wonderful way to
Yeah,
look at that.
yeah.
So
I
not
get
to
very energized.
so do not feel bad about
Do not
somebody, if
feel
somebody
bad.
is
Exactly.
yeah, if
See,
somebody
वो
is growing,
उनका
if
जर्नी
somebody is
है,
doing something good.
हम ये
बिल्कुल.
हमारा जर्नी है. वो कहते हैं ना, अपना टाइम
True.
आएगा. अपना टाइम आएगा. इतना टेंशन नहीं लेना है.
Definitely अपना टाइम आएगा.
अपना टाइम आएगा.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. So I was telling people about
Hmm.
the affirmations. So जैसा भी हमने बताया कि हम positive लिखते हैं, then things will start happening for us.
Yeah.
This is true. This has happened with me as well. I've tried it multiple times, so I have
Hmm.
achieved good things. तो अगेन जो लोग कहते हैं कि यार मेरे साथ पास में कुछ ऐसा हुआ है, वैसा हुआ है,
Hmm.
and not able to forget that, there's another way to do that is
You have
through
to
the
forget.
affirmation that you
Hmm.
so through affirmations, definitely you got to forget about that.
Exactly. You
So
have to
through
forget it. You have
affirmations,
to
you got to
move
write it.
on. Mm-hmm.
Absolutely, absolutely. You write it and then you burn that thing. So
Exactly.
whenever you have the thought, you write it
Hmm.
and you burn that thing, burn
Hmm.
that paper, entire paper.
Hmm.
That's another way of affirmations
Hmm.
to forget about your past and
Hmm.
move on
Hmm.
your move in your
Hmm.
life. Wonderful. Thank you so much, Isa, for that. Isa, one another question, the last question I have,
Hmm. Hmm.
that you have shared the kind of skills that people need. Now people know that where they need to go, where they
Hmm.
what is the
Hmm.
place
Hmm.
they have to go and they have to learn new things. Uh, what is that? What is a guru mantra? What is a guru mantra that you would like to give to people? Those who would like to become people like you, people those who like to become a makeover artist or maybe
Hmm.
anything in the same industry. So what is that suggestion or the guru mantra that you would like to give to people?
Um, this one thing that I feel is very important is to be
Okay.
grateful.
Absolutely, absolutely. Be grateful for
I
whatever you
I
have.
exactly, no matter what you have, I think वो जो चीज
Hmm.
आपके पास है, हो सकता है वो सामने वाले के
Hmm.
पास नहीं हो, और आपको उस
बिल्कुल,
बंदे की चीज अच्छी लग रही है जिसके पास सब कुछ है. आपके पास भी बहुत कुछ है, तो जो आपके पास है उसके लिए ग्रेटफुल फील करो. सबसे पहले तो ग्रेटफुल फील करना शुरू करो. हमेशा गॉड
true,
को थैंक करो आपके पास जो भी चीजें हैं. हमेशा. मैं
true.
जब भी सोने जाती हूँ, मैं पता नहीं मेरे
Hmm.
अंदर ये चीज है, आई डोंट नो क्यों है, बट मैं हमेशा आंख बंद करके हमेशा गॉड को थैंक बोलती हूँ. आज जो भी हुआ, जिस भी चीज के लिए, और चाहे वो अच्छा हुआ या बुरा हुआ तो मुझे कुछ लेसन दे के गया जिससे मुझे सीखना पड़ेगा और सीखना
बिल्कुल,
चाहिए. और अगर कुछ अच्छा
बिल्कुल.
हुआ तो उसके लिए थैंक यू सो मच. मतलब जैसे मैं बोलती हूँ, मेरी
That's a very,
फैमिली इतनी
very good
प्यारी
thing.
है, तो थैंक यू सो मच, आपने मुझे इतने अच्छे पेरेंट्स दिए जो इतने सपोर्टिव है. कुछ लोगों के पास वो चीज नहीं होती, तो हमेशा
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल.
हमेशा एक ग्रैटिट्यूड वाली फीलिंग, एक ग्रेटफुल वाली फीलिंग हमेशा रखनी चाहिए. आई थिंक
True,
उससे
true.
उसने मेरे को बहुत इमोशनली बहुत स्टेबल किया है, और मैं इससे भी बहुत ज्यादा मैं आगे मुझे लगता है कि मुझे से पुश मिला है. ये सारी चीजें और
बिल्कुल,
आपको दिमाग से भी पॉजिटिव करती है, तो जस्ट बी पॉजिटिव.
बिल्कुल.
Secondly, I
Okay.
would say, when it comes to being a makeup artist, I would just say be very sweet to people. Don't become this snooty, arrogant person. चाहे आप कैसे भी लेवल पे पहुंच जाओ, कहीं पर भी पहुंच जाओ,
Hmm,
कभी भी
hmm.
अपनी रूट से अटैच रहना, हमेशा ग्राउंडेड रहना. कभी भी
True.
आपको एरोगेंस और एटीट्यूड कभी कहीं नहीं पहुंचाएगा. तो हमेशा
बिल्कुल,
सबसे
बिल्कुल सही कहा
प्यार
आपने.
करो. आपके जो फैंस हैं, जो आपको इतना प्यार दे रहे हैं, उनकी इज्जत करो, उनको टाइम दो. एंड स्टार्ट विद स्मॉल स्मॉल थिंग्स. अगर आपने कोई मेकअप कोर्स भी किया, तो स्टार्ट विद
Okay,
डूइंग मेकअप ऑन मॉडल्स. वहां से बेसिक से शुरू
okay.
करो. मॉडल्स के साथ आप काम करो और उनका शूट करो. अच्छे फोटोग्राफर के साथ कोलैबोरेट करो. नहीं कोलैबोरेट करना चाहते तो आप अच्छा एक कैमरा यूज करो जिससे आपकी पिक्चर्स अच्छी आए.
बिल्कुल,
यू नो
बिल्कुल,
स्पेंड सम मनी ऑन रिंग लाइट. जैसे आपने देखा है, रिंग लाइट जैसे अभी भी मैं यूज कर रही हूँ.
बिल्कुल.
तो रिंग लाइट पे स्पेंड
And
करो
that you
ताकि
also had a giveaway on one of your
या
posts.
आई डू अ लॉट ऑफ गिव अवेज, क्योंकि मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि मुझे
Right.
मुझे उन लोगों को देना है जो मुझे इतना इतना सब कुछ दे रहे हैं.
बिल्कुल
सो
बिल्कुल.
आई कीप ऑन डूइंग गिव
That,
अवे. मुझे बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं क्या जरूरत है इतने गिव अवे करने की, रोज रोज कुछ
hmm,
ना कुछ पोस्ट करना है. तो आई जस्ट से इट्स फाइन, इसमें क्या, एक छोटा सा एक पोस्ट चला जाएगा और कोई किसी मेरी कुछ दी हुई कोई छोटी सी चीज से खुश हो जाएगा, तो क्या
absolutely.
फर्क
Yes,
पड़ता है.
absolutely.
और मुझे इतने सारे
That's a
मैसेजेस
that's a
आते हैं.
total exception.
हाँ, एंड मुझे इतने सारे मैसेजेस आते हैं कि मैम आपका ये आपने जो मुझे मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स भेजे हैं, मुझे
Okay.
उनसे मेरा पैशन फॉलो करने का मौका मिला है, कि मैं इतनी वेल टू डू
But
फैमिली से
also,
नहीं हूँ, बट
hmm,
द
hmm,
प्रोडक्ट्स दैट यू हैव सेंड टू मी, they are very helpful. Now I can follow my
yes,
passion, I can do it.
absolutely.
So
Like few days back, I think you had a poster of GK.
yeah.
Something, yeah, something that we also discussed was outstanding, and this is something that I recommended also to my friends that in case you were looking for some sort of these sort of products, this is the brand that where you can go.
Yeah, no,
So I'm
GK
pretty sure
products are
that
really good. I'm just used to. I'm so obsessed with the shampoo, conditioner, serum, and actually I use all those products that I've shown in the video itself. मैं ऐसे कुछ
okay,
अगर प्रमोट कर रही हूँ तो मैं किसी रीजन से
hmm,
प्रमोट करती हूँ. और मुझे ऐसा
बिल्कुल,
लगता है कि अगर मुझे कोई ब्रांड नहीं पसंद आएगा तो मैं उसको इतना ज्यादा प्रमोट भी नहीं करूंगी,
definitely, definitely,
क्योंकि मुझे फिर मैं
definitely,
उनको बोल भी देती हूँ आई थिंक मुझे आपका प्रोडक्ट नहीं अच्छा. मैं बहुत बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड हूँ. शायद किसी कुछ लोगों को ये चीज पसंद भी नहीं आती, क्योंकि
बिल्कुल,
मुझसे वो
बिल्कुल,
टू फेज, आई एम नॉट टू फेज पर्सनालिटी, आई एम अ वेरी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड एंड कट थ्रोट पर्सन. I
okay.
don't really sugarcoat things and tell people. If I don't like you, you can actually see it on my face that okay, you're giving me very negative vibes. Just maybe a little stay away from me. This is how I
So
am.
thank you for liking me and getting positive
I
vibes.
love you. I love
Precious.
you. Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you, Navito.
I am feeling
Thank
so
you.
good. So we can take
Thank
few
you.
questions from the audience, I think, because I
Definitely.
yeah, I have to go.
I'm so sorry that we just did not realize that it was so interesting to know. Just one last
I'm so
question I
glad.
have,
Yeah.
just again by the people those who asked that since so again I think makeup products are somewhere down the line they are there are few products those are natural, there are few products those are made by chemicals. Then
Mhm.
how do we really take care of our skin in that case?
Uh, See,
If
some
I apply,
products which has chemical, for example, if a person has
hmm,
very oily skin and they get a lot of
okay,
acne burst out, so at times
hmm,
natural product might not help you. Yeah,
okay,
and there are times when these kind of acids, these chemicals will help you. So I have done it on myself. I have very oily skin, and
okay,
my skin gets a lot of comedons on the face, and then they just turn into acne. And trust me, ये मेरे साथ होता है. People think that I have a very flawless skin. It's not. This is filter, guys. That's not true. I have a very bad skin, and I try to take care of it as much as I can. So I would just say, um, कि एक अच्छा सा डर्माटोलॉजिस्ट आपको देखना चाहिए, किसी अच्छे से डॉक्टर के पास,
hmm,
आपको स्किन डॉक्टर के पास जाना चाहिए अगर आपको कोई चीज बहुत ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम दे रही है तो. There are a lot of
hmm,
options available in the market now. If you have acne, you can get acne busters done, you can get peeling done, you can get micro needling done, you can get derma
hmm,
rollers done, you can get peeling done, be it salicylic, be it glycolic peel. There are a lot of options now. You can get your carbon facial done, hydra facial. So there are a lot of things in
absolutely,
market. अभी
absolutely. There are a lot of things available now.
स्किन कॉस्मेटोलॉजी बहुत ज्यादा इम्प्रूव हो गई है. और आई
Okay,
थिंक
okay,
आप लोगों को अगर नेचुरल सूट करता है, वेल एंड गुड. नेचुरल में तो फिर बहुत सारी चीजें आप बेसन का पैक बना सकते हो, पपाया एक्सट्रैक्ट बहुत अच्छा होता है ऑयली स्किन के लिए, नीम पैक बहुत अच्छा होता है, टी ट्री ऑयल बहुत अच्छा होता है ऑयली
absolutely.
स्किन के लिए.
True, true.
तो ये सब चीजें आप नेचुरली कर सकते हो. मेरी मॉम ऐसा करती है, आप मानोगे नहीं, वो कभी कोई फ्रूट भी काट रही होंगी ना, शी विल जस्ट अप्लाई इट ऑन हर फेस, एंड मैं बोलती हूँ मम्मा क्या कर रहे हो, एंड शी इज लाइक,
I
और
see. True,
उनकी
true,
स्किन
true.
बहुत अच्छी है और वो
That's
कुछ भी
you have
लगाती है.
that peel and then you use it.
Yeah, if she's just cutting a watermelon or something, then she'll apply it on her face, watermelon. If
बिल्कुल,
she,
बिल्कुल,
हाँ,
बिल्कुल.
वो बनाना
स्किन के
काटेंगी
लिए
ना, वो
बहुत
भी,
अच्छा है.
हाँ, वो कुछ भी उनको वो क्या बोलते हैं, सोक्ड आमंड्स भी वो उसको पीस के वो भी लगा लेंगी. मुझे भी उन्होंने आदत डाल दी थी बीच में. तो वो करते हैं, मम्मा जैसे होते हैं.
So true. This is only with
And
the
her
mama.
skin is
This is
very
not with
nice.
the
And her,
generation
no
of.
no, but her skin is very nice. अब मुझे नहीं पता कि
I'm sure.
वो ना जेनेटिक उनको है, उनका स्किन इतना अच्छा है,
Hmm.
या वो ये सब नेचुरल चीजें लगा रही है इस वजह से। तो मैं बोलूंगी
Okay.
रिस्क मत लो, डॉक्टर के पास जाओ, क्योंकि ये हार्मोनल प्रॉब्लम भी हो सकती है। किसी को
बिल्कुल
हॉर्मोन्स का भी
बिल्कुल
प्रॉब्लम होता है, स्ट्रेस लेवल इंक्रीज होता
बिल्कुल.
है, या आपको इफ यू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ डैंड्रफ दैट विल आल्सो क्रिएट
Hmm.
एक्ने, दैट विल आल्सो गिव यू एक्ने। सो इट्स बेटर टू
Okay.
शो योर स्किन टू अ डॉक्टर, अच्छे से डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट के पास, एंड ही विल हेल्प यू आउट।
Great, great. Thank you so much, Isa, for answering all the questions. So I think this is time for us to look forward for the questions that we have. So people who are watching us, this is time for you to ask questions to Isa. So do not wait. So guys, please ask questions, and let's see that what is that first question that you're gonna have.
We have
All
the
right.
first question is, how are you? I am good, thank you. How are you?
Again, that's again the same question.
How
How
to grow our
so?
Insta as makeup artist? Like I said, you have to be very consistent. You have to be very consistent. Do
Oh,
some shoots. Agar if you are a new makeup artist, if you just got into this industry, follow all good makeup artists. See their work. When you do your makeup, compare your work and see where are you lacking. This is what I used to do. It's a secret, but I'm telling you, I used to compare my work with other makeup artists, and I used to see, I used to zoom in and see, okay, this is something that I'm missing out. This kind of liner is very trending. I should, try it out. Then I used to practice a lot. So, compare your work. ऐसा compare नहीं कि you'll feel bad कि ये अच्छा नहीं है.
true.
Compare एक अच्छे उसमें, motivational उसमें. How can I
Absolutely.
get
Can
rid
you
of
name
my,
few? Can you name
sorry?
few that Can you name few makeup
No,
artists with
then
that
other
you
makeup
compare?
artists will feel offended, na. So I cannot name you. Everyone knows who are legends, and people are
I
following
see what
so
you
many
mean.
good makeup artists right now. And सब अच्छे
I
होते
see
हैं
what you
कि
mean. Yeah.
I just feel कि सब अच्छे होते हैं, just कि टाइम की बात होती है। जैसे मैंने बोला, सबका टाइम
बिल्कुल
आता है,
बिल्कुल.
टाइम की बात होती है। एंड आपके नेचर की बात होती है। आपका नेचर बहुत बहुत
Absolutely
इम्पोर्टेंट है, बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट
true.
है। आप अपने क्लाइंट से कैसे बात करते हो, आप अपनी फैमिली के साथ कैसे हो, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ कैसे हो, उससे आपका पूरा ऑरा एक ऐसा होता है, एक अच्छा पॉजिटिव ऑरा
बिल्कुल
हो जाता
बिल्कुल
है। ओके, वी हैव
बिल्कुल.
सम, प्लीज टेल मी। यू कैन ऑल्सो डू मोटिवेशनल सेशन। ओ गॉड। Wow, thank you so much.
Congratulations.
I will do it.
That's another
Actually, this one
that's another
actually
thing
turned out
that's
to be a
again
motivational session only, nahin?
true. It
Yeah,
is. It is actually that you want to inspire people who are watching
yeah,
because they again that's the vision. People should know how to become like you,
yeah,
how to become
yeah. The
successful.
vision, that the word that you used, it really means a lot. The kind of vision that you have.
Thank you.
So if you if
Thank
you
you. Thank you.
think
Means a
if
lot.
you
Thank
think
you.
itna na, you'll get itna. If you think big, you'll
Absolutely.
get big. So
I'm sure that
vision,
as long
yeah,
as you
vision.
have
Yeah. You
support,
said you said the right word.
thank you. Thank you. Means a lot. Means a lot to hear. Thank you.
How to collaborate with brands? You can just DM them. जो भी you're looking forward with, what kind of collaboration. I need to know that. How are you? I'm good. Okay, everybody wants to know that. How am I? They're really sweet.
So guys, he's doing wonderful. I
Yeah,
think she's in a good
wonderful.
time.
Yeah,
And we didn't realize that we have spent this much of time. So thank you so much
exactly.
for that as well. So
Thank
guys,
you.
any
Thank
any
you so
skill
much.
specific question, most welcome. Any skill specific question, anything that you want to know, maybe in person that do you
You are
only
so
do
smart. Thank you so much. What is the best brand for makeup that has to be the best quality? There are a lot of brands. For example, I love Charlotte Tilbury, which is a little expensive and luxury brand, but it's really nice. And then
right?
I love using Fenty Beauty, the foundation, and the lip glosses. Lip glosses in particular are bomb. And I love using Huda Beauty. Huda Beauty foundation is a little hard to work on, but if you get professional, if you get used to it, it's an amazing foundation to work with. You look like Kareena Kapoor. Is it? Do I look like Kareena Kapoor?
No, not at all. Not at
I
all.
look like Isa Seria.
Not at all.
But I actually got this kind of a compliment that you look like. I think my
Is it?
doctor, yeah, she
Okay.
told me that you look like Kareena. I don't know why, but maybe. I'll take it as a
I am
compliment.
individual entity and I have my own
Yeah.
this
Okay. how to become a makeup artist if your family doesn't support you. See, you have to,
You
talk to
need to,
them.
true,
Yeah,
true. You need the support.
yeah, you
That's
need
the
their
first
support.
customer that you have. That's the
Exactly.
first customer. That's the first client that you'll have.
You have to, convince them. You have to tell them that this is your dream, and I'm sure they're gonna support you. You just have to, talk it out.
Absolutely, absolutely. They are the first client, and they are the first people that you will be
And don't feel
helping.
bad if they criticize you into something. It's absolutely fine. उनका criticism भी आप अच्छे तरीके से पॉजिटिव वे में लेना. जैसे मेरे डैड मुझे बहुत कई बार ऐसे बोल देते हैं कि क्या लगा रखा है तूने, अच्छा नहीं लग रहा, ये क्या पहना है तूने, तू ऐसे पजामा पहन के मेकअप करने चली गई. वो मुझे ऐसे बोल दे देते हैं, और मैं से बाद में मेरे को
I'm
फील
sorry.
होता है. मैंने कहा हाँ यार, ये तो मैंने मतलब क्या पहन के चली गई हूँ मैं. तो बुरा
I'm
लगता
sure
है
that
थोड़ी
happens.
देर
Yeah.
के लिए, बट फिर यू
Cool.
गेट नॉर्मल, एंड देन यू थिंक कि हाँ सही कह रहे थे. तो पेरेंट्स गलत नहीं कहते हैं, हमेशा आपके आपके
Absolutely,
बेनिफिट के लिए बोलते
absolutely.
हैं.
True, true, true. And parents have always an eye that who can tell you whether this thing is right or wrong for you, whether you're
Yeah,
looking good or not.
एग्जैक्टली.
People may say that
हाँ, you're very
is or
beautiful.
very
They try
beautiful,
to
but
please you, but your parents will never please you. They will tell you, okay, you are not looking good, you are looking hideous. They
right,
will
right,
tell
the
you.
harsh reality,
Yeah, harsh
the
reality.
harsh reality. Great,
That's true.
great, great. Guys,
Chalo,
any further questions guys
I'll
that we
take your
have?
leave now. Thank you so much.
Definitely.
Yeah, love you a lot, guys.
So, guys, thank you so much for joining with us, and thank you so much, Isa, for joining us
It was
live and
my
supporting this
pleasure.
first
It was my
dream.
pleasure.
Thank
Thank you so
you,
much
thank
for
you. It
having
means a
me. It
lot.
means a
Means a
lot.
lot.
Same.
Thank you.
All
And we wish
right,
you luck,
bye.
and we wish that new project will
Yeah,
become outstanding,
I'm
as will
looking
boom,
forward.
and people
Yeah,
will know forward. Great. Thank
yeah.
you so much, Isa. It was wonderful talking to you.
Same here. Bye bye.
All right. Bye bye.
Yeah.